Welcome to our video. Today we'll be learning how to upload our assessments to ePortfolio. So click the plus sign. Here we'll be having you put from drive. Let's go. Let's select our folder. I'm assuming you have a folder for where you'll be having your assessment. It's good for the arrangement. In this one we'll be having the advanced method. So you'll have to stick through the end to see this one. So we pick a unit. Remember, I'm in that folder. Every class at least should have a folder for cut, a folder for assessment, a folder for attendance, mark sheets. That's how we can be able to maneuver. So assume cut 2. I then go to my folder, my classes, the unit, looking for cut 2. That is the folder for cut 2. For all the cuts, click insert. Then I publish. This one is saving your work. Let's scroll. The advanced method is here. You only upload once. You can see I'm having my cuts and my practicals there. I don't need to upload every single time. I have cut 1, even the assessor's guide. So you'll be having a box in which it will have all the cuts. You'll be having a box which will have all the practicals. That is the advanced method. The next video will be loading. So be sure to like and subscribe, comment. For any clarification, just let me know. So as I'm saying, the other method is much more quicker.